Okay, dear friends, now we are gonna install Xampp. So just write Xampp on Google and search it. After that, click on the first link. The link is www.apachefriends.org. So we are going to open Xampp, and as you can see, this is the website we are going to head over, and now we are going to install download Xampp. So there are Xampp is available for different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and OS X. So the latest version is 8.6, 8.1.6. Okay, so now if you want to check the previous versions also, you can head over to this link and wait a minute. As you can see, there are older versions are also available with a very less difference of MBs, but there are additional features are available in the latest version as recommended. And now we are gonna download this version by clicking here or by clicking on this link. There are two ways, so we'll just click on the link and wait for it. Yeah, as you can see, it's asking me to where to save it. Now I don't want to save it right here. I'm going to open the desktop and save there. I already have the installer file, so I'm not going to click on this button, but you have to click on this button, and after it's download complete, then okay friends, as you can see, we just click on next, and after opening the installer file, and then just uncheck the FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat, and Perl, Web Leather, and Fake Sandmail. We don't need these, okay? We just need MySQL, Apache, PHP, and phpMyAdmin. Now the next thing is just click on next and choose its default location, which is C in C drive, and then just click next and just uncheck in this learn more about Vietnamese for that, and click next again, and just click next to install this. And as you can see, it is installing. So just wait for some time. Now just as you can see, it's a security alert from firewall. Just click on the private network such as home for security, and uncheck this public networks just for security purpose, and allow access and wait for some time. Okay friends, after opening Xampp, you can just search Xampp here, and just click on open Xampp. Wait for a minute, and here is our Xampp panel. So once you open that panel, you can see these are the background colors are not available, or you can say the background colors are transparent. That means it is not started. To start Apache services and MySQL, just click on the start, and you can see the green background available. That means it is now started, and then just start MySQL also. Okay, once you click on the admin, you can see the localhost dashboard. It's a website. It's not a website, but it's providing us a local server. Okay, and for MySQL admin, it is phpMyAdmin actually. Okay, MySQL is actually phpMyAdmin, and here we will work on our databases, tables, and things like that. So don't be worried about that thing. There are a lot of databases you can create from here, so it's totally fine if you don't know about these things. But In the later videos we will cover each and everything, so don't be worried and follow the tutorials as they are going. Thanks for watching this tutorial.